Hello and welcome to IT Pro TV's 12 Days of IT, where we're unboxing 12 different IT gadgets and giving them away. If you haven't already registered to win, head over to itpro.tv/12 days to sign up. Then tune in to IT Pro TV's very first YouTube Live on Friday, December 11th at 2 p.m. Eastern to see if you're a lucky winner. You won't want to miss a day, so be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. All right, today's the 9th day of IT, and that means Anthony will be unboxing a Lego Star Wars Droid set. Anthony, take it away.
Thanks so much, Zach. Anthony Sequeira here with IT Pro TV, and I am thrilled to be the host for this episode of our 12 Days of IT. I have the best gift. I haven't looked at any of the other gifts, by the way, but I know this has got to be the best. This is a Star Wars Lego kit, and I'm not surprised they asked me to do this giveaway, because if you know me at all, you'll know that I'm a Lego fanatic, particularly Star Wars. And I am so excited for this one because this is one kit that I do not own. And apparently we can build R2 and all these other droids and actually make them move around and do various things. I don't believe any of this is true, so this is going to be a great unboxing. So let's check this thing out. I'm going to very carefully open the box, just like I do at home. All right, so let's check this thing out. I see plenty of bags of Legos. That's always great. The bags are numbered. That's very helpful for those of you that don't Lego all the time like I do. I remember a day when they did not give you the individually labeled bags. This is a heavy box. I think this must be like battery power because, again, these droids are going to be able to walk around and stuff. There is a quick start guide. What's super interesting about this is, where is the big instruction manual that we're used to? No such thing, and that's because we're going to have a 3D instruction manual that we're going to be accessing from our phone. In fact, I think we can pull that up right now from my phone, and you can see how cool this 3D instruction manual is. A lot of times when we're assembling Legos normally, it's really tricky to use their instruction manual, either because we can't see exactly where the piece goes, or a lot of times I have struggles with what colored piece I'm supposed to use. So notice how awesome this is. Being on the phone in 3D, we can look around at various perspectives. It's really, really awesome. Now, I've got more news for you. We just couldn't resist. We had to assemble one of these droids in advance to show it off, and we did R2 right here, a fan favorite. So there's a little power button on the R2 unit to wake it up. And then let me clear a path here, because we are going to make R2 actually do some cool stuff. So again, the droid can be controlled through a really great Lego app on the phone. So here I am in the kind of console on the phone for controlling the R2 unit. And this is really cool, by the way. For kids, this actually teaches kind of programming steps. Notice there's the joystick control for moving the R2 unit back and forth. But then there's kind of like some programmatic steps that we can do in order to have the R2 unit do various missions. So this is pretty slick. And as I said, I think it's pretty neat. It could really kind of teach programming step-by-step logic to kids. In fact, it's very useful for me. So let's go ahead and program an action right now and check out the R2 unit. We're going to make him do a variety of motions in this demonstration. There you can see the shake. There's the head turn, looking around, and now R2 is at a rave party, apparently. Great stuff. And then, yeah, there we go, forward motion, and he did not drive off the table, which is great for this demonstration. So really, really fun Legoing with this kit. We're so excited to offer this as one of the gifts on our 12 Days of IT. And with no further ado, I'm going to turn it back over to Zach.
These are the droids you're looking for. Thanks, Anthony. Would you like to win that or any of the gadgets from the 12 Days of IT? Well, then head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. On Friday, December 11th, tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern right here for a YouTube Live and see if you're a winner. Now go ahead and subscribe to the IT Pro TV YouTube channel right now and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a day. See you tomorrow for the next gift.